Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our first golden ticket assembly of the year. Yes, it's 2022. As you can see, it's Friday the 7th of January 2022, and Happy New Year to all of you out there at home with your aunties, uncles, grandparents. If you're getting this link, huge Happy New Year to you all, and how lovely, what an amazing week we have all had back at school. It has been phenomenal, and children have been working so hard straight away from that first day back on Tuesday. We're here to celebrate children in nursery, reception, year 1 and year 2 this morning, who've been working so hard. The first children to win a 2022 golden ticket. So here we go. Without further ado, we're going to start with nursery. So watch these nursery children. In nursery, we have 2 children. Look at this. This child loves sharing a story and reading. She always has lots of interesting things to say and is keen to participate in activities. The other child, this child now comes to school with a big smile on her face. She always works hard at school and at home and plays well with others. Golden tickets this morning go to, here we go, Frida and Ava. Well done, Frida and Ava. Look at big smiles on your faces. Amazing. Well done, both of you. Absolute superstars. Earning the first golden ticket of 2022. Well done. And let's keep it up, you superstars. Well done. On to Miss McTavish's class and reception. The golden ticket winner this week has been continuously working hard in phonics and maths, and worked especially hard with their reading. They're always keen to learn new words from the sight and the sound letters make. It is a joy to see and hear their love of reading grow. It really is. Golden ticket goes to Alice. Well done, Alice, you absolute superstar. What brilliant reader you are. You are working so hard. It's fantastic. And well done on earning your first golden ticket in 2022, you superstar. Well done. Moving on to Miss Ruffles' class, and this child is well behaved and has settled into school and learnt the new routines well. He's been working very hard over the Christmas holidays, particularly on his reading and writing, and filled up his reading diary. Amazing. So Mr. Allen will be filling that in as well soon and putting lots of house points. Great work, and your hard work is paying off. It really is. Golden ticket goes to none other than Xavier. Xavier, good lad. Well, look at that. Sitting beautifully as well. You absolute superstar. Keep working so hard. It's lovely to hear. And keep doing lots and lots of reading, you superstar. And well done on earning your golden ticket. Well deserved. Well done. In year 1, Miss Marshall says this week's winner is great at sharing their opinion with the class in a kind and respectful way. They listen intently and complete work to an amazing standard. Let's look at that. To an amazing standard. Well done to, here she is, Sarah. Look at that. Sarah, look at that big smile. So you should be really smiling now, Sarah. You absolute superstar. Really well done, and a really well-deserved golden ticket. Well done. Congratulations. I know everyone will be giving you a massive cheer now, you superstar. Well done. Moving on to Mr. Ackerman's class. And in Mr. Ackerman's class, this child loves their learning and works hard across all areas of the curriculum. They're always positive, enthusiastic inside our classroom. This child has had a great start to the new term and is a wonderful example to his classmates. He really is a wonderful example right through school as well. This week's golden ticket goes to none other than Jack. Well done, Jack. Massive, always smiling. It's just the best, just makes us smile. I'm smiling now just looking at that. What a great picture of you, Jack. Well done, Jack. Really well deserved. Congratulations on earning your golden ticket. And the first of 2022, you superstar. Well deserved. Well done. On to Miss Begum. Now this child is hard-working and tries their best with their work, which is always set to a beautifully neat standard. An absolutely beautifully neat standard. Golden ticket goes to, here she comes, Isla Rose. Look, Isla, you absolute superstar. Well done, Isla. So proud. A big smile on your face as well. So you should be. Really pleased. So really well done, you superstar. And congratulations, and keep up that beautiful, neat work. First golden ticket of 2022, superstar. Big cheer for you. Well done. On to Miss Hall says this child has started term with a super and some speedier writing and a new determined attitude. Absolutely brilliant. Keep it up. We certainly want to keep it up. It's Casey May. Well done, Casey May. And look at that beautiful writing there. Absolutely brilliant. You superstar. Well done, Casey May. Big smiley face as well. Congratulations. I know everyone's going to give you a bit of a blur there in the middle as well. We're doing Jumpstart Johnny. So really well done, you superstar. And well done to all our golden ticket winners. Weren't they all just fantastic? What an amazing start to the new year. Huge thumbs up from Mr. Allen. It has been brilliant. Thank you, everyone. What a great start. If we carry on throughout this term, it will be brilliant. It was a fantastic start. Really positive. Everyone working so hard. So thank you, everyone. It has been a brilliant start to the new term. We just hope we keep on going. We keep on working as hard as that. And who knows, if it wasn't you this week, it could be you next. So keep working hard, everyone. And this weekend, what we'd like to see is, look at this, play a family game. Why not? Lots of us had family games and got games over Christmas. Let's play a family game over this weekend as well. Read together. Let's do more reading. One of those New Year's resolutions we mentioned about reading together, playing more games on, and get some exercise. We all need to get a bit of exercise after that excessive Christmas. We all ate lots, I know. So let's get some exercise, get out there. Let's all be safe in doing that as well. But playing games, reading together, and getting some exercise for this weekend, everyone. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you all on Monday. Bye-bye now.